Hey, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de and I'm here in Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress 2018, and over here at the Huawei booth we're having a look at the new Huawei MateBook X Pro that was introduced over here. The MateBook X was already introduced, but now it's a Pro version, so it's for people who need a little bit more power on the go. So we have the Intel Core i5 or Core i7 of the 8th generation over here, and together with the internal graphics of Intel, the graphics 620, you get an Nvidia GeForce MX150 graphics. So that means you can even play games on it or do some video editing, so it has enough power, which is nice because this notebook is pretty thin and quite light. It's 1.33 kilograms and just 14.6 millimeters thick. So let's check out the display. Maybe you already saw that the bezel is pretty small. We have a 13.9-inch display with a resolution of 3000 by 2000. So it has a ratio of 3:2, which is also kind of strange because usually notebooks are more wide, like 16 by 9. But I kind of like it, especially when you have to work, to be productive. I think it's really nice to have a display like this. And of course it is also a touchscreen, which is also nice because the display is quite thin. Maybe you notice, where's the webcam now, because the bezel is so small. It is not here, it is not on the display. Do you see it? I give you a hint. It is here. There's a camera button over here in the keyboard. If you press it, the camera will pop out and you can use it. And if you don't need it anymore, just press it again and it's hidden. So I really love this idea. So it's pretty cool. Otherwise, we have a fingerprint reader over here at the power button, a nice Chiclet style keyboard which is also illuminated, and it's really fun to type on. And you can see it has a pretty big touchpad that you can use. And let's close it down. I can tell you it has a pretty good build quality. Metal unibody case. On the right side has a big USB port, which is also nice if you have USB 6, etc. or other devices. And on the other side you have two USB-C ports, and I cannot remove this right now, but behind this thing there's a headphone jack for your headphones. So that's pretty cool because I really like headphones and I really use them. 4 speakers are built in, maybe you see it here, so you can also expect some pretty nice sound. And let's check out the specs. The graphics, the Nvidia GeForce MX150 has 2 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and we get 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM for the system, and 256 or 512 gigabyte of ROM for the user. So that should be really enough, and the battery has a capacity of 57.4 watt hours. So all in all, a pretty interesting device that Huawei showed here at the Mobile World Congress. I really like it already. I think in Germany it will be like around 1,500, which is in my opinion pretty much okay for a notebook like this, especially because it is really for persons that travel a lot because of the weight of 133 kilograms. And again, I really like this new feature with the webcam. That's pretty cool. So if you have any questions about this device, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.